Before you get started, subscribe to my channel. If you guys been watching this channel, you know me. I'm gonna do a little research before I do anything. I look at old videos and go back and I listen to some of Dr. Fauci's video. You can call him Anthony Fauci. I don't know if he's a doctor or not, but they put a DR in front of his name. But he did a video in 2017, which he predicted that there was going to be this outbreak of a virus. I'm gonna read this quote from Abraham Lincoln. This is a quote from Abraham Lincoln. And Lincoln said, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." I'm gonna repeat that again. Abraham Lincoln said, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." So you can take it how you want it, but check out this video in 2017. I think it was January, maybe January the 12th, 2017. But this is before anything broke out. Just listen to what Anthony Fauci, or Dr. Fauci, whatever you want to call him, look what he said.
There will be a surprise outbreak. Given, as you heard from the introduction, that I have been around for a while and have had the opportunity and the privilege and the pleasure of serving in 5 administrations, I thought I would bring that perspective to the topic today, is the issue of pandemic preparedness. And if there's one message that I want to leave with you today, based on my experience, and you'll see that in a moment, is that there is no question that there will be a challenge to the coming administration in the arena of infectious diseases, both chronic infectious diseases in the sense of already ongoing disease, and we have certainly a large burden of that, but also there will be a surprise outbreak. And I hope by the end of my relatively short presentation, you will understand why history, the history of the last 32 years that I've been the director of NIAID, will tell the next administration that there's no doubt in anyone's mind that they will be faced with the challenges that their predecessors were faced with. It is a perpetual challenge. It is not going to go away. So the thing we're extraordinarily confident about is that we are going to see this in the next few years. Thank you.
Also, check this video out right here from Bill and Melinda Gates telling who should take the vaccines. A lot of my subscribers ask me, have I taken the vaccine? And as of now, no, I have not taken it. I'm still doing my research before I take anything, especially when you got people like Bill and Melinda Gates telling who should take it. And basically said black people should take it. So if they telling me to take it, I'm gonna wait. Like I said, I'm not telling nobody what to do. I don't give no advice on this vaccine. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a certified welding inspector. But check out these videos and tell me what you think. And whenever you become a partner with YouTube, it's certain things you can say. They call it a partner program. When you start talking about the COVID-19 and LGBTs, you got to be very careful what you say, because they would delete your videos and they suspend your whole channel for saying certain things. So you see a lot of channels have been suspended because of them saying wrong things. But I see videos on there, wow, and I wonder how in the world these videos are still up.
The last thing you want is a bidding war between countries for this vaccine. We know there are 60 million healthcare workers around the world who are keeping everybody safe. They deserve to get this vaccine first. And from there, you want to do tiering in various countries to make sure your most vulnerable populations get it. In our country, that would be Blacks and Native Americans, people with underlying health conditions, and the elderly.
This video might get deleted, but just listen to some of this stuff and come up with your own opinion on what you think. Like I said, I haven't taken a vaccine yet. I don't know if I'm going to take it or not. I know they're trying to force people to take it. They even putting people who take it in lottery drawings to where you can win money, or even different states making it mandatory that you have this vaccine passport to get on cruises. I don't like cruises anyway, because I worked offshore for for years in 1990, the early 90s, and I can't stand being out on the water. One time I was out there working for 6 months straight, but now they got a new law. They won't allow people to do that. But that was in the beginning when I was trying to make money, and I had to support my family. So I was out there on the water for 6 months straight welding on a barge. I won't do that again. That's a promise. And give me your input. Leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.